Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you Beyonce vibes. This is a very simple hairstyle. I use some Kankalon or Kanekalon, however you like to pronounce it, hair, and I just gave it a braid look. Just dipped it in hot water, and that's it. So the hairstyle is super cute. I just look at the hairstyle and I was like, okay, I feel like my natural hair could blend in pretty well with that, with this hair. Slick up a little edges. I didn't slick my hair up as much because I want to leave a little bit more of a wave and natural look. I feel like it'll be easy to manage for the next couple of weeks. But this is the hairstyle, Coachella vibes, Coachella vibes. I left a braid of my hair out, so when I want to put it up, I can put it up. You're not gonna see that anyway. So let's jump right into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, it's a quick, simple crochet tutorial. Very quick and simple. I did do the invisible method right here in the center just so, I don't know, you really can't see it, but I just chose to do it right there in case I want to put this part in a ball or whatnot. But this is the look. I might recurl this when I get tired of this look. I left a lot of my hair out. Again, I left the spray down in the back, so when I'm ready to pull my hair up, I can cover up those knots that's in the back of my hair. Guys, I hope you like this Beyonce Coachella inspired hairstyle. I saw that and I'm like, okay, that's a perfect protective style for my hair for the next couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, till next time, bye. Hi guys, so I just want to jump here on camera real quick just to show you a different option with this hairstyle. Very long day, guys. You have to forgive me. I look really beat up right now as I view myself on the camera and recording from my phone, so I look really beat up. Very long day. My day starts very early. Well, I would consider very early, and I'm going till nighttime, and it's pretty much my day. Just came in from my daughter's game. That's our day, you know, pretty much. If she doesn't have a game, she's practicing, so that's an everyday thing besides things that I do on the side here, besides working a full-time job. So forgive my appearance. So I went on last night and flexi rocked this hair. It came out pretty. It was really cute last night because I really separated last night just to give it a different look, just give it some curls. And then one thing I hate that when I want to re-rot the hair, especially in that same time frame of me rotting the hair, if I want to re-rot it, like say for instance if I wasn't really satisfied with the particular curl that came out and I want to re-rot it, this what happens. I don't know if anybody else experienced that, but I always experienced it. It's almost to the fact that I have to kind of wait a few days before I re-rot my hair. These curls did not take, and that's why this side is a little looser. I think I curl better on this side. It could be a little bit better, of course. I'm not tripping. I don't have to do my hair. And then with my hair, what I did is I took some of this hair and I just wrapped it around the ponytail to hide my hair so I don't have to deal with that part. My sides and stuff are really like, I'm not really satisfied because the product I used was the Creme of Nature. I think it's not gel. And it's like the second time me using that gel. I did buy it a few months back, but I just want to test it out again, and it always flakes. So this will really be coming out, or I'm gonna have to find a way to wash it or do something. Maybe I'll try to put some more oil on and see what happens. Look, it's just like flakes. It's raining flakes. But anyway, this is the look. It's cute. I mean, I look kind of young with this hairstyle, but I like it. And that's it. So just want to jump here on camera to show you what else I did with this hairstyle. It don't have to be the straight wavy hairstyle. It can be the curls. I really love this side. I guess I curl better on this side, but that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare myself for, it's kind of early, still 7:49. I really want to get to bed early today because I am super tired. Just got a lot of stuff going on and I need to get done, especially by the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for real. This is the end of this video. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.